Hi there. In this video, you will get the information about motherboard, characteristics of motherboard, types of motherboard, and general structure of motherboard. And what is motherboard? The motherboard is the main circuit board of your computer and is also known as the main board or logic board. So when you see the motherboard, you will find the CPU, ROM, RAM, expansion slots, PCI slots, and USB ports. It also includes controllers for devices like the hard drive, DVD drive, keyboard, and for mouse. Basically, it holds many of the crucial components of a computer together. Characteristics of motherboard. So there are mainly three characteristics: form factor, chipset, and processor socket. So form factor. Motherboard differs in size, shape, position of mounting the holes, power supply connector type, and port types and locations. Together, these differences define the form factor of the motherboard. Chipset. Chipset is a set of electronic components that manages the data flow between the processor, memory, and peripherals. Chipsets are usually designed to work with a specific family of microprocessors because it controls communications between the processors and external devices. The chipset plays a crucial role in determining the system performance. Processor socket. A CPU socket is used to attach microprocessor. It is a special type of integrated circuit socket designed for very high pin counts. A CPU socket provides many functions, including physical structure to support the CPU, support for the heatsink, facilitating replacement. A CPU socket type and motherboard chipset must support the CPU series and speed. In addition to choosing the compatible socket, the chipset of the motherboard will determine how quickly the computer can run, so what additional features it supports, and how much memory it can access. Types of motherboard. So we have different types of motherboards: XT motherboard, AT motherboard, baby AT motherboard, and ATX motherboard. XT motherboard. XT stands for extended technology. It has low insertion force sockets, DIMM, dual inline memory module RAM slots, ISA slots, industry standard architecture slots to connect expansion cards, and 12-pin power connectors. AT motherboard. AT stands for Advanced Technology. It has a PGA, Pin Grid Array Processor Socket, SDRAM, Synchronous Dynamic Random Memory slots, 20-pin power connector, PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnect slots used to connect sound card, graphics card, modem network card, etc. ISA, Industry Standard Architecture slots to connect expansion cards. Baby AT motherboard. So it is a smaller version of AT motherboard. It has built-in socket for I/O ports like serial and parallel ports, SDRAM, synchronous dynamic random access memory slots, DDR-RAM, double data rate random access memory slots, PCI and ISA slots, and also it contains 12-pin power connector. ATX motherboard. ATX stands for Advanced Technology Extended. These motherboards have MPGA, Micro Pin Grid Array Processor Socket, SDRAM slots, DDR-RAM slots, PCI and ISA slots, primary and secondary IDE interfaces, SATA, Serial Advanced Technology Attachment Connectors to connect hard disk, and 20-pin and 24-pin power connectors. General structure of motherboard. A motherboard is a PCB that connects all components of the computer. In modern computers, the number of chips is reduced and centralized into particular locations. Therefore, multiple chips are combined together to form one single chip. This chip that can replace a large number of chips is called chipset. Chipset handles the communication between various components such as CPU, peripherals, and buses. North bridge and the south bridge are the two chips in the chipset. North bridge. And the north bridge connects the CPU and the motherboard via high-speed bus. It also called as memory control hub. The memory control is located on the north bridge, so which gives the CPU fast access to the memory. It also connects AGP and PCI Express. South bridge. The south bridge is slower than north bridge. All the information from CPU has to go through north bridge before reaching the south bridge. It also called as I/O control hub. It connects USB, IDE, BIOS, Super I/O.